Koti munene wa Masako ni wanenga muvya wa kukitana na siko sia utekani wa Nyala kana anti-abduction police unit mithenya muonza wanenga ni uthei yulwa kwa Jimmy Mutava mutandithia munene ula waye matuku miongo ili na muonza mwei wa muonza mwaka wa 2023 kwanzia ya kutekwa Nyala kisione cha Mlolongo kilioni mbunge cha Mavoko ovamwe na mundu wonthe withiwa na mauvo kukonia kwa Mutava kwiyumilia na kunenga ne ukusi wake uni kwena na musili munene wa makwani kotini wa Masako Noel Inziani vala wakulia ukunikili beange kuende wa ni kana ikwani ye na vala wawetakana ikwani ikawetwa kotini wa gatatu wukite wa matuku miongo ili na 6 mwei wa Nyanya. Karo Munyoki na ilivote.
Jimmy Mutava na ula unayimutandithia munene sokoni wa Mlolongo wetekana atawaye kwanzia ya kutekwa Nyara ni andu matesikie kisioni cha Mlolongo kiliombungeni cha Mavokova kauntini ya Masako matuku miongoli na muonza mwei wa muonza mwaka huu na mbikie yavu andu maamusi wake mayaesa kukwata livoti kukonya Jimmy na itina wa kuthacha ikwani kotini munene wa Masako omundi musili wa makwani Noel Inziani ni wanenga muvia wa abduction matuku muonza nikana kuete uthei kukonya kwa Jimmy.
It will be in the best interest of administration of justice that the anti-abduction unit is allowed to continue and conclude the investigations to establish the whereabouts of the second applicant victim. The said unit is therefore granted 7 days to conclude the investigations.
Oingi Noel ni waweta mundu wonthe withiwa na uvo kukonya kwake ni wailite kwiyumilia na kukuna livoti ni kana kutethesia ukunikili wa kumumantha vala ikwani yeye kaendesyo yingi wa katatu wa matuku miongo ili na 6 mwei huu kotini wa Masako.
Any person who might be having any relevant information regarding the matter herein is at liberty to present the same to the investigators herein. Lastly, as already directed, the IG of the police may be summoned to attend court upon presentation to court and consideration of the intended investigation report. We mentioned the matter on 26th of August this year to confirm compliance and for further orders.
Mutetei wa makwani Mbobinzi uko na ula vikite kuondua kutetea musi wa Jimmy ni waweta kanala maendesi ukunikilini mailite kwa saundu kwa uito vate kulela na kuika ukunikiliwe mwanya ni kana kunenga nelivoti nzio ya kutethesia kuelewa kwa Jimmy.
The scope beyond the affidavit lies with the IGP. And that is what they are saying, that he's required to go in court. As a matter of fact, a request for habeas corpus should not even have taken this much time. It is clear that this person is missing, this person has been detained. The question is, what next? It is for the police to come and explain to the court, and that responsibility lies with the IGP.
Mavisa ma CCTV kumavala Jimmy wailie mbewa hata na atekwa Nyara meona nyakana kuiweni ya umeme kunikite mainangali muthemba wa double cabin ila namba cia yo star manyika na kuelekela ngaliko cia katani na ndatika mbuthu usimu wa Jimmy wavugwa na mbikia yavu githito cha kumumantha kene saucia matunda valandu maamusi wake maende na kukulia kutetheeswa kumumantha Jimmy. Ndilivoti ya vilingi wa mauvo kumava kotini munene wa Masako ni Karo wa Munyoki.